Good evening, friends. Tonight I'm participating in a Moonlight Clean With Me collab that was issued by Denise Jordan of This and That with Denise. You guys know Denise is an awesome creator, and tonight she's challenged us to clean an area in our home after dark. So I thought long and hard about it, and I decided I wanted to clean this family heirloom silverware that has been passed down to me to hold. I don't own it, but I'm quote unquote holding it. But before I get started, if you're into home decor, DIYs, and product hauls, please subscribe. Now, I purchased these tarnish removing plates from Publishers Clearinghouse, if you can believe it. Yes, Publishers Clearinghouse got me, guys. So the directions say to add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to each liter of boiling water. I have about 2 liters of boiling water here. The next step is to place one of the plates in a dish and place your silverware on top of that plate. This is the treasured family heirloom set that I've been trusted with. I'm going to place it on top of the plate so that it makes direct contact with the metal. Next, I'll carefully pour the baking soda and water solution on top of my silver. I did let this sit in the solution for about 5 minutes, and all the while I was noticing whether or not any changes or cleaning was going on, and surprisingly it was. I couldn't believe, literally before my eyes, the tarnish began to dissolve away and it's left there in the water. So I carefully removed the forks from the hot water with tongs, placed them on a drying towel. I would say the tarnish was about 70 or 80% removed. I was really impressed. Now these little butter knives are actually, one of them is part of the original set, but 2 others I believe are older. Now I know my flatware is at least 100 years old, so these butter knives are who knows how old, but they are very precious to me. So I decided to go ahead and try them in the solution. Now these had such a remarkable change. I don't think you can see it on camera, but the tarnish removed was just a remarkable amount. They look 100 times better. Oh, before I forget, I will leave a link to the playlist in the comment section below so you can check out all the other creators' great Moonlight Clean With Me's. And now I have just 3 butter knives left, but I will go ahead and put the handles in the solution and see what happens. Afterwards, I rinsed everything off with plain tap water, and I just decided to dry it and buff it a little bit to get the moisture off. I don't know that much about silver, but I assume that we don't want to store it damp. And this is the final product, guys. Those tarnish removing plates that I got from Publishers Clearinghouse, they worked like a dream. I'm sure you could purchase them other places too. And I did a little research on this whole process, and it seems like the baking soda contributes to a chemical reaction between the silver and the aluminum in the plate. So again, I want to thank Denise Jordan of This and That with Denise for issuing this awesome collab. I would like to thank the other creators for their participation also. Don't forget to check the link in the description for the full playlist. And see you again at Home Sense with Nell. Bye-bye.